Welcome to SirMalo Performance. As you guys can see, we are working on the 2000 Chevy Silverado. Just to do a quick walk around here. This thing's all busted up on the front. Chassis bent. Down up in there. Behind that shaft. Here's a back shot of the truck. Definitely going to get a new tailgate. New bumper, perhaps a roll pan. That's it. That's the truck for you guys. Again, we'll strip it down. I'll get the chassis here soon. Has a 5.3 automatic. Don't look too bad, but trust me, that chassis is bent. It's worthless right now. We'll get it up and running. Alonzo's tearing off here the fender. So they got the hood. Anything that's attached to the fender has to go. Alright, you keep working on that. I'm almost done with the bed. All bolts are out from the bottom, tailgate's out. Just going to remove the tail lights so I can tuck those wire harnesses out of the way. The front end's off, the rear's out. That's it. Just waiting on the chassis to get here. Hopefully tomorrow, and we'll go from there. You guys, so we have the 2000 Silverado here. Chassis frame ready to go. Got it nice and set up, facing forward, just like the truck here. We will continue working on Project Resurrect. If I can just do a giant time lapse, I will do so. That's Project Muerto, just in case you guys want to check that one out. Follow me on my YouTube channel here and subscribe, and you'll see what it's all about. Thank you.